Hey everyone, it's Anthony. Today we're going to take a drive over the Long Beach International Gateway Bridge, formerly known as the Gerald Desmond Bridge, through Terminal Island, and then over the Vincent Thomas Bridge to San Pedro. So the Long Beach International Gateway Bridge is a fairly new bridge. It was built, it opened in October of 2020. For about a year or two, they actually had the old Gerald Desmond Bridge side by side, like literally like 20 feet to the right. And they tore that down like 3 years later, so it took a while for them to kind of tear that down. So it's a really cool little bridge. And then, of course, Vincent Thomas is a historic bridge. That one's been there for, I feel like 60 or 70 years. I should have looked it up. But the original Gerald Desmond Bridge was built in 1968, and because of earthquakes and seismic upgrades, they had to tear it down and rebuild it. So the new one, the Long Beach International Gateway Bridge, is really cool because they've got like lights at night that they can change the colors and stuff. Like when Dodgers won the World Series, they did blue lights. I believe they changed it to purple and gold for the Lakers, and I think they may have, even when the whole Ukraine war started, I think they may have done like a yellow and blue back then. So they change it according to what it is. So they've got different colors that they can change, maybe 4th of July, do red, white, and blue, etc. So this is a pretty cool thing. One thing I do want to mention, the speed limit through this whole entire area is 45 miles an hour. I see people, in fact you could probably see in the video, people passing me because I'm not speeding, I'm going the speed limit. And there are just a lot of people who drive all crazy. I've seen people do 60 or 70 miles an hour on this, and it's ridiculous. It's really bad, especially when you hit the junctions where the bridge segments meet. It gets a little bump to it. So just be careful, because there are some crazy people who drive crazy on them. But I hope you guys enjoy these drives. This is really cool out there from Long Beach to San Pedro. So have a great day.